Hello everyone. When building an AI app or agent, the biggest question is always which AI model should I actually use? Should you go with free models, heavy cloud APIs, or run a local model? Today, in under 4 minutes, we'll look at how to get personalized recommendation right inside VS Code based on your budget, speed, and project needs. First, open the chat panel. Open the chat panel in VS Code and make sure to switch the mode to agent mode. Here, mode, agent mode. Prompt it with your project scenario, for example, here. Copilot immediately calls the model guidance tools behind the scenes and presents two clear options. Here, look at this. Option 1, max quality, best for deep security, reasoning, and complex analysis. Option 2, cost effective and fast, ideal for instant responses at a fraction of the price. Okay, close the channel. Close the chat panel. Next, let's hop over to the model catalog. Here you can explore models grouped into 4 main sources. 1, here, and model catalog. 1, GitHub models, free to test outright away, rate limited. 2, cloud publishers, OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, Azure AI Foundry, requires an API key or subscription for production use. 3, local models, via Ollama or Foundry Local, run entirely on your local machine for privacy and zero cloud cost. 4, custom models, any fine-tuned models you've created yourself. Quick filter tip. You can quickly filter models by hardware compatibility. Here, excuse me, CPU, GPU, or NPU, or features like web search support. Excuse me. Features like web search support. Pro tip: before writing code or committing to API fees, open the playground in AI Toolkit, test your top recommended models side by side with the same prompt, and compare out quality and latency live. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more developer tips. Catch you in the next one.